Hey friends, if Windows is not assigning drive letters automatically, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, we have the solution on the Microsoft Answers forum, and a lot of users have confirmed it means it should be working. Okay, so first of all, start the Windows virtual disk service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down, okay, and you'll find the virtual disk service here. Right click on it and then select start. The next one is to auto mount. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Okay, now we will copy and paste each one of them one by one. First the disk part 1, then auto mount, then auto mount enable, then auto mount scrub, okay. It says auto mounting of new volumes enabled, auto mounting of new volumes enabled, auto mounting of new volumes enabled. You should be noticing these and these are confirmation that everything is working. And finally you can exit it or just close the window. But if you want to exit it, then just hit exit. It will leave the disk part option, but I usually close command prompt and open a new one if required. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.